Hello everyone, my name is Ilipay. I studied Beyond Education School today. I will be reading about my family. My family is very special to me. It includes my mom, my dad, my older sister, and me. We live in a cozy house with a big garden. My mom is kind and make delicious meal for us. My dad work hard to take care of our family. My sister is my best friend and we play game together every night. We gather around the dinner table to talk about our day. We go on family trip and have so much fun. I love my family because they love me and always have and some support each other. Family is where I feel safe and happy. Thank you. Goodbye.